Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox, take a close-up look and try on the Swatch BIOCERAMIC MOONSWATCH Mission to Mars. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a Swatch BIOCERAMIC MOONSWATCH Mission to Mars wristwatch, reference SO33R100, and just taking a look at the details that's on the box packaging. And on the underside or bottom of the box we can see 11 planets or stars making up the Omega X Swatch Moonswatch collection. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by sliding the outer sleeve off. And just setting that outer sleeve to the side, setting it on the right hand side of the table, and now taking a look at the box itself for the Omega X Swatch Moonswatch collection of the Mission to Mars wristwatch, and taking a look at the underside of the box. And now let's go ahead and open it up by spreading apart the box flap to reveal the wristwatch and giving you a look at the watch as it is sitting inside the box and on its watch holder. So right there, giving you all the details before I start handling it up close. And setting the box down, and let's pop out the papers or contents from the box packaging and setting them on the tabletop. And of course the watch itself, let's pop it out along with its watch holder and releasing it from the holder and setting it on the tabletop. Now I'm just going to close the box back up and replacing the sleeve back on the box and setting it on the right hand side of the table. So now giving you a full and clear look at the watch along with the contents from its box packaging right across the tabletop. Okay, so let's take a look at this card here. So there is a warranty certificate for the wristwatch. So it does come with a 2-year international warranty. So just setting that to the side and just tidying up that background, and it also comes with a very comprehensive instruction booklet with warranty information and covering very many languages. So just setting that down and to the side as well. And over here we have the catalogue for the BIOCERAMIC Moonswatch collection. And let's open it up by spreading it open, and as you can see, very many panels making up or representing and showing information of the 11-piece Moonswatch collection and some of its features. Now giving you a much closer in look, so you can see the information contained in this watch catalogue for the Moonswatch collection. And flipping over to the reverse side, but there are the features of the Moonswatch. and folding it closed, we can set that to the side. So we're going to set it on the left hand side of the table. And now taking a look at the mission to Mars wristwatch itself, so giving you a look as it is. So it does have a 42mm case size, and it is very light in weight, and of course you can see it does come with a Velcro strap attached to it. So to give you some sense of the size of the watch, resting it in my palm and across as well. And now taking a much closer in look at the wristwatch. So you can see it does have an overall white and red colorway or design, and of course with the subsidiary hands in the subdials with the spacecraft looking shape. They are from the Alaska project design. And let's peel off the protective film that's keeping the acrylic crystal protected. So now you have a much clearer look at the dial or face of the watch, along with its hands and other details right there. And right there is a further out look. And of course, taking a look at the profile or side of the case. So it does have a 13.25mm thickness, and at the back as well. And of course the pushers and crown of the wristwatch. And given its chronograph design, the pump pushers at the 2 o'clock and 4 o'clock position. And you can see the Omega branding on the shorter side with the ceramic keeper for the Velcro strap, and Swatch on the longer side. So giving you a look right there at the Velcro strap or hook and loop. And flipping it over, we can see the Speedmaster, Mission to Mars and Moonswatch branding. So as we follow the strap back to the case back of the watch, you can see that this quartz watch does have a Mission to Mars branding in white, as well as the engraved details on the case back and on the perimeter of the case. So the watch does have a 30-meter water resistance, and of course on the battery cover the image of Mars. So we're trying to give you a much closer in look. We can achieve focus on the details on the case back and battery cover right there. And the engraved details on the bioceramic case back. And now taking a look back at the front of the wristwatch. And up close, right there. and just giving you a full 360 rotation. And now let's activate the chronograph by pushing on that 2 o'clock pump pusher, and you can see the chronograph seconds hand ticking away. And of course at the 6 o'clock position we have the running seconds hand for the time. And as the central chronograph seconds hand in red sweeps or ticks across to the 12 o'clock position to mark a minute, the subdial or register at the 10 o'clock position will tick 1 over to the right to mark that 1 minute has been elapsed. And right there we can see 1 minute has passed. And now let's stop and reset. Alright, so now let's go ahead and try the watch on. So I do have a 17.2 centimeter circumference wrist, or 6 3/4 inches. Let's put the Velcro strap right round and through the keeper. And here sitting on my wrist, and to give you some sense of the fitment so far with the remainder of the Velcro strap right there, so you can see that it can fit a very large or thick wrist. And let's strap it down. So right there we can see the underside of my wrist with the Speedmaster, Mission to Mars and Moonswatch branding. And on the top side we can see just how the watch sits on my wrist. So the watch having a 42mm case size and a 13.25mm thickness. So giving you an overall look at the wristwatch. And right there as well, and of course the Omega branding at the 6 o'clock position, and Swatch at the top 12 o'clock position on the Velcro strap. So right there giving you an overall look at the Swatch BIOCERAMIC Moonswatch Mission to Mars. Alright, and now popping the wristwatch off, and once again giving you a look further out for more perspective. So that's the Swatch BIOCERAMIC Moonswatch Mission to Mars. Thanks for watching and happy ticking!